I'm gonna pick some blackberries. Look at these blackberries. They never taste the way they do when you pick them in the grocery store, because I read somewhere that fruits and vegetables lose 50% of their flavor 24 hours after they're picked. So there's nothing like fresh picked stuff. So whenever I have an opportunity to pick fresh fruit, I just go for it because I know that I'm getting nutritious wild food. So there are thorns, and thorns did get in my fingers, so you have to be careful. Maybe I should be wearing gloves, but I got a thorn in there. So I've been picking for about 15 minutes and this is all I got. This is the thing with picking blackberries. Thorns. I love how intelligent plants are and how they don't want you to eat them. Oh, they don't. So that's why they develop these weird techniques. But it's like we have a symbiotic relationship with plants. They need us humans to spread their babies around, right? So as we eat their fruit, we spread their seeds around, and that's great. It's a symbiotic relationship, but they have really interesting things that they've developed, like thorns, to kind of keep us away. Oh, there's no more berries. I was gonna look to see. It's gonna be a long walk. It's worth it. The only thing is I'm gonna be in the sun, but that's okay. I love the sun. Vitamin D. Yay. And plus, when you eat berries, they go into your bloodstream and they act like you're eating your... It's kind of like you're eating your sunscreen. For my sense of adventure, look what I found. I didn't even know these were here. This is a bounty. This is a bounty. So I'm going to pick these. As I pick the berries, I contemplate gratitude, how grateful I am that this plant is providing fuel for my body, collagen, vitamin C, fiber. There's lots of things, lots of nutrients in this thing, and I'm just like, sometimes I just kiss the plants. Not that they like to be kissed, but I like to kiss them and just say, thank you for being so awesome. Thank you for making all this delicious fruit for me. Vitamin C that's going to keep me, I don't know, youthful and vibrant forever. Keep my joints lubricated. Keep my skin healthy and vibrant. This kind of quality food you can't get in the grocery store because it has to sit on a truck for like a week and drive to you. But like, if you can get out and go get this yourself, it's awesome. Do it. Okay, now I have this much. See? That's enough for the salad for 6 people. Actually, it's gonna be more than 6 people. One of the mantras that I always chant and say to myself is, I eat the best foods ever. I eat the most nutrient dense, highest quality foods ever. And for some reason, God, Mother Nature, always helps me find the most nutrient dense, high quality foods. And to me, high quality food is wild food that's just growing on its own. Nobody's tending to it. Well, this is kind of growing off near somebody's yard, but hopefully they don't come out and say something to me. I couldn't be happier right now that I'm gonna make this salad for people that I care about, and they're gonna eat the salad, and hopefully they can taste all the love in the food, because that's one of the biggest compliments that I get when I cook for people, and they tell me that they can taste the love in it. Apples. These aren't ready. I actually don't want these. I'm not in the mood for apples. But life on an Oregon farm. Oregon farm life.